Back at it. We got a busy creek today. We got what, like 4 more people coming?
Yeah, 4 more and then.
So yeah, hopefully we catch some fish.
Better. Get a little emotional.
I know, man. I've been fishing a lot. Ain't called shit.
I know. I get weird.
Messing with my emotions, Smokey. Fish. Get something through here. It's red eye. Yeah. Red eye's better than no eye. Hey, chill, brother. Feisty little guy. Feisty little guy. Oh, I love the color on that one. God, that's a cool little splotchy guy. You look camouflaged, little buddy. Red eye. Come here, you little red eye. My first smallie. First smallie. Little guy, but he is energetic. Alright, sorry, buddy. Sorry. You red eye. Thank you, old Rocky. Old Rocky Balboa. Spot. Ow! God damn, brother. That doesn't feel good. God, you are so fat. You're so fat. Yay. Smash that. Smash that. Good grief. Thank you, sir. Oh, I think I got a good one, Andy. Get it the fuck out of there. Get in here. Ain't not as big as I thought. I'll still take you. Thank you. Freaked out over you. All right. Ooh. That's a good fire. Give me some slack. Okay. Nice little guy. Skinny. Alright. Another fish in there. Oh. Find this little spot. Camera wasn't on, I just got a mean mouth. I guess I just caught two. That's kind of mean mouth. Oh well. Oop, something hitting something. I got a little fish. Thanks, little fat guy. Rock bass? What is this? Small. Oop. Stuff up. I think this is a nicer smallmouth. Okay. Hey, thanks. Thank you, little buddy. Huh. Okay. Stay on there for me. Stay on there for me. God, you're putting up a good fight, bud. Oh, wow, that's bigger than I thought he was. Whoa. He's pretty long. Yeah, that's a pretty nice one. Thank you, girl. Yeah. Hell yeah. Much appreciated. Ooh. Ooh. 2 casts in a row. Alright. A little bitty small honey hole. And he's got one up there. Cool. At least we're catching some fish today. I've been at the lake and I ain't been catching jack. So this is a much better change. Heck, I think it was 14 or 15. And I got a fish here. Oh my God, 3 casts in a row. Man, that is a fat rock bass, buddy. Golly. You are chunky. Alright, I'll sorry about that. Dang. God. Look how fat you are. Just calmly swim away. Ooh, that's a pretty nice one. Oh, man, that was a nice smallmouth. That was probably the biggest of the day. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Did he get off? No, he's not. Hooked, I guess. Come here, bud. I'll let you go. I'll let you go. 16, maybe? I'm happy. I lost a really nice one back there. Yeah. I think I might have a fish. Nice little smaller. Yeah, I'll take it. For a little rock bass. Yeah, rock bass. Ooh. Like that. Ooh. Ugh, another rock bass. Good God. No, he just didn't think he was hooked. You didn't know he was hooked, did you, buddy? Ah, that was a good release. Hung up, man. Whew.
Take out, look around for coffee. Apparently a lot of people wiping out right there.
Oh, really? Woo! I got it. I got it. I didn't want to lose this. I lost a really nice one, and I caught probably 3 over a pound.
I ended up getting 2 or 3 smallmouth, like 10, 12 inches long.
That's good.
I caught a 10-inch rock bass.
Nice.
Trophy fish. So
Oh,
I get to
yeah.
submit it
Heck
to the
yeah.
wildlife and they'll send me a pin.
Heck yeah. I caught a big one. I don't think it was trophy size.
And it's right up here on the right.
Okay.
That is pretty much
I think this is a decent one, buddy.
yeah, it looks good.
I lost the biggest one earlier of mine today. Oh yeah. Whoa, he ain't not quite as big as I thought, but he's nice. Oh, a little long.
Yeah, that's good. You're racking up today a little bit.
Yeah, it might be close to 20. That's
Nice.
pretty nice one.
Sorry.
Right here on this log is probably a big one. Woo. Now I'm happy with the day. I tried staying well enough ahead of y'all so the fish would forget I was there. Rock bass. Little Rocky. Ooh. Busy day on the water, but productive. Thanks for watching.
Hello, sir.
Hey there.
I heard you had a good day of fishing.
It was a pretty good day. It might have been about 20, so that was good to me.